The Met Office says to expect travel disruption. Published 11/20, updated 11/23, Wednesday, the 4th of October 2017. The Met Office this morning issued a yellow "Be Aware" warning for high winds between 9 p.m. tonight and 9 a.m. tomorrow. It said westerly winds will bring gusts of 4,050 miles per hour, and locally into 60s of mph. In addition, rain will be heavy at times. It brings the potential for disruption to transport, tree damage and temporary power cuts. The bad weather is spreading from the west, so may not clear East Anglia until tomorrow morning. For the latest weather warnings, visit www.metoffice.gov.uk. For its impact on road travel, see www.traffisengland.com. To check train travel, visit www.greateranglia.co.uk. If you lose power, visit www.ukpowernetworks.co.uk or call 0800-316-3105. Merge accounts, custom true. Copyright Elif Media Publishing Limited. All rights reserved.